just arrived to our almost finished house, and right now I might show you some of the rooms that are almost done. So let's go. Well, right now it's pretending like it's a door right here. There's obviously going to be some doors. And let's start off with the office room. This is the office room. It's probably going to be like with the computers and all that. Next up, this is the living room. Now, let's go over here. I forgot what this is, but come over here. This is the laundry room. And then straight ahead, there's going to be a big garage. So this is the kitchen with the two pantries. And this is the the family room. This is the family room. And then this is our backyard. I believe there's going to be like a little deck right there. This is our backyard. We are going to go upstairs. We're upstairs. Now let's go, and I'm going to show you the upstairs rooms. Come on. Let's go check out the rooms. First, there's going to be my brother and Samuel's room, which is going to act like as a kid's room. So let's go show your room, Paul and Samuel's. Welcome to the room. Next, this is like the boys' bathroom. And then we're going to enter over here. And this is my oldest brother's, David's, room over here. And then there's a closet right there. And then let's go to my sister's room. So my sister has room right here, her room. And then there's a walk-in closet for her right here. And then let's go check out my room. Mine and my sister's room is basically the same. So the door, welcome to my room. This is my room. And also, me and my sister are having like doors that lead out to the balcony. We're gonna have a balcony. And I also have a walk-in closet, and that's mine and my sister's bathroom. Now, let's go into my parents' room. This is their room. Ooh. Their bathroom, I believe, and closet. I don't know, maybe. Stay tuned for us like moving forward and building our house. Don't miss like any part of the video. Thank you.